Okay, I'm back down here with the Kraton 8S CSB to install my basher bar. Yeah. Okay. Arrma did something pretty good with the bottom of this truck. I mean, they got this M5 countersunk screws, but they are M4 hex heads. And I've seen screws like this in industry a lot, but I've never seen them on an RC before. And while they are, in fact, what are these, grade 10.9? Yeah, they're grade 10.9, but they're actually more or less specialty screws, so good luck finding them. And what I replaced them with is more grade 10.9, but they're on the M3 hex heads. So yeah, I'm gonna go on and keep these. Okay, now what I want to do is get these things down there. These screws right here, I want to get them out of there so I can bevel the wheelie bar and bumper so I can put these countersunk washers in there. Yeah, go on and be difficult. Okay, and when I say bevel the surface of this, is basically making it look like that indent right here. So I got it all straight, and I use these countersunk bits. Yeah, they're pretty simple. I mean, and they were well worth the investment. So I use either one. Yep, perfect countersunk. That's for the rear. Got a little plastic shavings. And as for the countersunk washers, yeah, it's just these. Yeah, they fit, and the screw should be nice and flush. Well, actually, yeah, nice and flush, so that there is no nonsense going on down there. You know, like screws grinding themselves to dust. Okay, now I need the M3. Got my basher bar, throw that on, get it all nice and lined up. And I'm going to use a lot of these crappy 10.9 countersunk screws. You usually want to locate these first since they're being screwed into metal. And then the mount, which is obviously metal. Yeah, locating them pretty much just means screwing in the first couple of spines, just so they don't end up stripping out with the metal. As for that, that's plastic, it really doesn't matter. They can strip too, but that center brace is pretty much held in place by all the... No, that center post is pretty much held in place by those braces, so it ain't going anywhere anyway. And even if it does, it doesn't matter. Yeah, the center post is these 4 screws right here. Okay, so I am ready to go on and bolt that down. Perfect. Okay, we are looking good. Looking real good. Now I gotta change all these screws out because I was using washers with the M5 screw and I was using the longest screw that I could find. But now I'm switching over to the countersunk washer. Yeah, in a setup like this, the main problem you run into is that these screws do eventually strip out the bulkheads, which sucks. But that's more or less a problem with plastic bulkheads in general. Okay, one more. Okay, and that is great. Done, done, done. Didn't even take 9 minutes. Now I'm ready to go on and jump this thing and finish off my ramp. Yeah, I do still have to finish building the other ramp that I started on a while ago, long time ago, and left it to die. But my old ramp is kinda in the toilet right now, so yeah, this thing will probably finish it off and make me work on the other one. So, basher bar install for my Kraton 8S, and yeah, I did make the basher bar myself out of a $30 piece of aluminum I got from a company that makes glorious stuff like this that shines up real good. Although this thing is probably going to get all scratched the hell up anyway. So I'm just going to go and leave it at that and get back to beating this thing up.